Hi guys, Jamie from Anchor Vans here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth of a VW Crafter. All we need to start off by doing is putting the key in the ignition and turning the power on, not the engine. And then we turn the radio on. Now you're presented with your FM and AM channels. You tap your phone button and then you'll be instantly presented with select a telephone or search for a telephone. Obviously we're searching because we've connected to this before. Searching for devices. It then finds my phone right away. That corresponds with here. Obviously it's VW radio, that's the one we want. That was the Bluetooth pairing request from VW's radio. Just double check that that connects on here, which it does. Brilliant. Does it match? 078015, 078015, it does. Fantastic. Obviously it would anyway. Just double check. I'm not going to allow it to sync. Don't allow. And we are connected simply by playing some music. That's how you connect your Bluetooth device.